Welcome to our video on selling things online easily. Today, we'll explore the benefits of selling online, making it an accessible venture for anyone. The first step is identifying your niche. What are you passionate about? Find a market that resonates with you. Next, let's look at some popular platforms for selling your products. Websites like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon have made it easier than ever to reach customers. Setting up your online store involves a few crucial steps: selecting your platform, designing your storefront, and listing your products correctly. How do you price your products? Competitive pricing strategies can help you attract customers while ensuring you sustain your profits. Now, let's dive into effective online marketing techniques. From social media advertising to email campaigns, there are many ways to attract buyers. Building trust and loyalty is key. Excellent customer service can set you apart in a crowded market. Managing shipping and inventory can be tricky, but mastering logistics is essential for seamless online sales. Every venture comes with its challenges. We'll discuss common issues sellers face when starting and how to troubleshoot them effectively. In conclusion, with the right strategies and dedication, you can sustain a thriving online business. Remember to stay adaptable and customer-focused.